Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instructions sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.1.24 Part Location. Both the fixture design for factory fabrication and the fixture design used to calculate cost of every fixture section, component, and part are based on their location on the fixture. It is likely that the sections, components, and parts defined by the person preparing the cost workup will differ from the sections, components, and parts the fabricator will construct. The differences can be significant, but over time become more congruent. All views of a fixture are from the customer's point of view, the front, unless otherwise noted. Location is identified by starting at the bottom left corner and going upward and to the right of the fixture. The first section is named Section 1. The sections are determined by the beginning of a different component or part to be fabricated. There can be more than one component or part in a section. The maximum number of sections is 8. This example 1.1.24 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking 1.1.25.